Hey there, welcome back to my channel. We are still on CapCut, how to edit video on your phone with CapCut. So let's dive into it. The last time we added this text on the video. So today we are going to add another thing, which is audio. So on the lower left corner, you see the icons there. We have edit, we have audio. So tap on the audio. You see sounds, tap on it. From here, you can see we have different type of sounds. We have New Year sounds, VIP Hope, and we have Christmas, vlog, travel, beats, a lot. So in case you know what you want, let's say you want to, you are searching for horror sounds, for instance, horror, let's see, like this, and go to search. You can see we have a lot of horror sounds here. Tap on it like this to listen to it before you add it to your video. You can hear it is playing. And if you are ready to add it, just tap on the plus sign on the right corner here. Tap on it like this and it will be added to your video. So scroll to the left, to the right side to see if in this case, you can see the audio is longer than the video. So what to do is just tap on the audio like this and you see split here, split it and delete the excess. You can see delete. So now the length of the video same as the length of your audio. From here, if you have original audio, for instance, on the left side here, you can see mute here. You can tap on it to mute the original video sound. And now the original video sound will not play. The sound you added will play instead of the original. But let's say you want to use the second audio to be background music. Just you on, in that case, you have to on your original sound. So for it to make sense. So I think that is it. That is what we did in this lesson. And if you go to sound here, we have a lot of different type of sound, as I said. After that, you can see we have brand music. Brand music, if there are some, you will see them here. We have sound effects. Sound effects is, we have sound for things, let's say, different type of sound effects. Let's listen to this one here. See, you can see this one. You can hear this one. So you want to add this to it, you just tap on the plus sign here and it will be added to your video. I think this is the end of this video, and if you have learned new thing here, tap on the subscribe, like the video, and also comment. Let's see your comments. So thank you. See you next time. Bye.